Tea lovers, have you ever dreamed of brewing the perfect cup of tea every single time? Imagine having a tool that not only simplifies your brewing process, but also ensures the most delicious results. Let's dive into why the 16-ounce tea brewer is the ultimate tea accessory you need in your life. Tea is more than just a beverage, it's a ritual. Whether you enjoy your cup of tea in the morning, during a relaxing afternoon, or as part of your nightly wind-down routine, getting it just right can make all the difference. But here's the problem: traditional teapots can be bulky, and disposable tea bags often lack the full flavor of loose-leaf teas. That's where the 16-ounce tea brewer comes in, offering a perfect solution to brewing challenges. What makes this brewer so special? First, its compact size is ideal for single servings. Gone are the days of wasting tea or struggling with large teapots for a single cup. With a 16-ounce capacity, you get the exact portion you need, making it efficient and practical. Secondly, its design is tailored for convenience. Many models come with built-in infusers that make brewing loose-leaf tea a breeze while keeping the leaves separate from your drink. This eliminates the hassle of cleanup and ensures a pure, flavorful brew every time. Another major perk is portability. The 16-ounce tea brewer is lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for work, travel, or home use. Whether you're sipping a calming chamomile at your desk or enjoying green tea while hiking, this brewer fits seamlessly into your routine. Plus, its eco-friendly design is a win for sustainability. By switching to loose-leaf tea and reusable materials, you can reduce waste and make a small yet meaningful impact on the planet. The real magic happens during brewing. Picture this: you add your favorite tea leaves to the infuser, pour in hot water, and watch as the leaves unfurl and release their aromatic essence. In just a few minutes, you have a perfectly steeped cup of tea that's rich in flavor and free from bitterness. The 16-ounce size ensures the ideal balance of tea and water, so your cup is never too weak or overpowering. In summary, the 16-ounce tea brewer is more than just a tool, it's an experience. It makes brewing easier, enhances flavor, and offers unmatched convenience for tea enthusiasts of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned tea connoisseur or someone just starting their tea journey, this brewer is a must-have addition to your collection. Ready to transform your tea game? Get your hands on a 16-ounce tea brewer today and experience the difference it can make. Click the link below to explore the best options and bring home the ultimate brewing companion. Don't wait, your perfect cup of tea is just a brewer away.